natin. Main law natin ating dato yan.
Tingnan
We are
natin, no?
so blessed to be here. We are so blessed to be here.
Ating
And I just want
salungan.
to tell you that if you guys are here because it's the will of God. It's the will of God that you worship Him. And you have joy with your brothers and sisters.
Ating sada doon.
Okay, so my name is Kamara, and I just want to tell you that 2 years ago I was not Christian, but I really feel the love of God in the church. And at this point, I just realized that Jesus was not just a man with a lot of wisdom. Jesus was not just a prophet; He was the Son of God. Are you agree with me? And I just want to tell you tonight that I was so down, I was thinking that was impossible for me that God loved me. The Master of the universe just can't think about me because of what I have done in the past and all this stuff. But I just realized that when I pray to Jesus, I just realized that He's so faithful. And no matter what I have done, no matter what you have done, His love for you will never change. And when His name is on your life, He's never going to change. He's never going to stop to love you.